Hi girlies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how to create a quick beginner friendly eyeshadow look. So grab your purses and let's go. So I'm going in with this palette from Hey Academy, and guys, my eyelid is all primed in this video. So if you want to have your eyeshadow showing really well, you have to prime your eyelid. So this is me going in with a very dark brown. This is actually just to give my eyelid a bit of definition. So and now I'm going in with a lighter brown. Now this would give a faint effect to the corner of my eye. So if you are really light skinned, I would advise to go with a very light brown. But if you have a darker skin, I would advise for you to go with a very dark brown. Okay, and this is me blending it out to the corner of my eye, just to give my eyelid that nice dark brown. And now I will be using this glitter from Oaklak. You guys, you can get it on TikTok shop. I'll be putting it on my eyelid. And guys, if you want to get this step to make sure you're actually doing it the right way, what you need to do is to get you a dense brush like the one I'm using right now and just press it in. Okay, press it in, don't just blend it in. You have to press it in, so the glitters have to sit on your eyelid and just in one place. So if you want it to be in the middle, if you want it to have a hack like the one I'm doing right now, it depends on what you want actually. So now this is me still going back in with the gold glitter just to make sure it's covering everywhere I want it to cover. And guys, you see how nice that came out. Now this is me using my Made by Michelle eyeliner. I really love this eyeliner, guys. You can get it on TikTok shop, you can get it in Boots or Sephora, wherever you are. This is me getting a wing liner. You guys know I love my wing liner, but if you don't really love doing the cat eye, that is fine. All you have to do is just line your eyelid. But if you do a wing eyeliner like this, it would actually give your eye makeup more defined look. And there you have it, guys. Here is the final result. Oh my god, I'm really loving this look. It's so pretty, and you can actually wear this any way you want. You can take it out, you can wear it to a birthday party, you can have it for your birthday. It's just something really nice and really easy. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, love you.